Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for some string for your string trimmer, then check out this stuff from Echo. This Echo nylon trimmer line is awesome. This is the Crossfire. It is 0.095 inches, and this stuff is awesome. So this is not just a round cylinder trimmer line. It has 8 cutting edges to it, so it does an awesome job at really quickly tearing through weeds and brush and making everything look absolutely beautiful in your yard. So we have found this to be super helpful all over the place, whether we are trimming back weeds that are coming into our lawn or we are edging our garden beds. This really takes care of it. It's also packaged really well and in such a way that it's easy to dispense to refill your trimmer. So you simply flip over the package and it has a built-in dispenser which you can just pull from. So that's just a nice touch that makes it easier. So we've been really happy with this product, and that's my point of view.